A friend sent me a 12-volt 10 amps power supply. He complained that the power supply would sometimes turn off and sometimes turn on. And now I am checking it. First is the terminal block part and suspect that this terminal is loose. One screw on the back of this device must be unscrewed. And the second screw is behind this seal. First I use this knife, then I direct hot air at this plastic while pulling it slowly. This screw and bracket has been found and we will remove it. The way to open the top cover is to pull it back and then lift it. The ball and bracket for clamping the transistor must be removed. One more screw that is on the rear circuit board to the foundation must be removed. Lift this circuit board and we see what is bottom copper. Applying a small amount of some flux paste is a wise move. To unsolder tin on pad, we need a Shaker soldering pump. And now we have successfully lifted this terminal block from the circuit board. To strengthen it later than installing this terminal block, I have to add some strong glue to the base. And then in turn the terminal block goes on top of the circuit board. Apply a little bit flux paste on the top of the pad of the circuit board for this. Soldering this 7-pin with a soldering iron with sufficient heat is 60 watts. You can clean it using a nano sponge and add isopropyl alcohol. This job is done and let's plug it into the electricity. Look at the green LED light that is on.